You,
you look angry again. You look very sad again. How are you?
Angry.
Why are you angry? Why? Do you want to have the class tonight, Vin? Did you sleep? Yeah? Whoa. Are you still sleepy? Are you still sleepy? Teacher's going to share the screen. Here.
Bạn vẫn còn buồn ngủ à?
Yeah? No. Are you feeling sad?
Bạn có đang cảm thấy buồn không?
No. Are you happy? No. Are you mad?
Bạn có điên không?
Yeah? Oh, but Vin, are you ready for our class, Vin? Are you ready? Okay, you say yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Okay, very good. Okay, honey, now we are going to have lesson number 2. Lesson 2 of letter H. Okay?
Bài học 2 về chữ H.
Okay, honey? You're, you're ready. Oh, do you want to cry? Do you want to cry?
Bạn muốn khóc à?
No, okay. But are you okay? Are you feeling okay? Yeah? Okay. So now, let's have letter H, honey. This is what letter is this again? This one is letter.
A.
Very good, baby. This one is letter H. What is the sound of letter H, Vin?
Uh,
Yes. I want to hug you now. Yeah. I want to hug you now because you look so sad.
Tôi muốn ôm bạn vì trông bạn buồn quá.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, honey, let's have the checking time, okay? Let's see if you still remember the words you've learned last time. Let's see if you still remember all the words you've learned last time.
Hãy xem bạn còn nhớ hết những từ vựng đã học lần trước không nhé.
Okay, you ready? Yes, I am. Okay, let's have the first one. What can you see, Vin? What can you see?
Coi chân tàu nha. Tao mất rất nhiều tiền cho cô rồi, chứ không phải tự nhiên mà cô dạy cho Mỹ đâu. Mỹ có ho không? Mở cái môn ra.
no.
Mỹ nhắn cái kiểu gì không?
Okay. You can cry first. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Okay. You can cry first, honey. You can cry first. Mm.
Để chúng tôi đợi đến khi em cảm thấy khỏe hơn nhé, em yêu.
Okay. Okay, just tell me if you're okay and if you're ready. I feel so sad for you. You're not ready to have the class yet, right? Okay. Let's wait until you're okay and let's wait until you're fine, honey. It's fine. Okay, you ready now? You ready? Yes, okay. So let's now go to the next one, honey. Let's have the checking time. Okay, let's have this one. What is this? What can you see? I can see a.
I can see our
You can see a.
head.
Okay, very good. Great job. I can see a head. Okay, next. Can you see?
Hair.
I can see a hair. Very good. One more time. I can see a hair. One more time.
I hair.
Yeah, very good. Great job. Next, what can you see? I can see a. What is that
I
one, Vin?
hand.
Okay, very good. I can see a hand. One more time. I can see a hand.
I can see a hand.
Oh, look, you sound really sad, my dear. Okay, very good, honey. Let's have the next one. What can you see? I can
Bự
see
ngôi.
a.
Biển sang bên này ngôi. Biển sang bên này ngôi nhanh. Tao coi mi họp kiểu gì tao cho mi nghỉ họp luôn. Cầm cái mồm. Đứng dậy. Kéo cái ghế sang. Ngồi hẳn hói bộ. Kéo ghế hẳn hói bộ. Ngược mặt lên này học. Ngược mặt lên. Teachers, sorry.
Okay. Are you okay now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Oh, I feel so sad for you, honey. Okay, let's have the next one, Vin. What can you see? I can see
Horse.
a.
I
I
can
can.
see a horse.
Very good. I can see a horse. Next one, Vin. What is this? I can see a.
A
What is that? Ha ha ha.
Đi học mấy con chưa biết
I
những
can
kiểu này.
see a hat.
I can see a hat.
Very good. I can see a hat. Great job, Vin. Okay, next. What can you see?
I can see our house.
Very good. I can see a house. Very good, Vin. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, honey, for remembering the vocabularies you had last time.
Cảm ơn em yêu rất nhiều vì đã nhớ những từ vựng đã học lần trước.
Okay. You did such a great job.
Bạn đã làm rất tốt.
Okay. All right, now let's move forward to the next one. Let's have a warm up then. Okay, this is big. What is this one, honey? Big.
Big H and small
Very. And small?
H.
Very good. Great job. The big H and the small H. Very good, honey. Okay, now let's move forward to the next one. Okay. What is this one, honey? Do you know this? This one is a... Okay, honey, this is Hong Kong. Hong
Hong
Kong. Yeah. This is a country.
Đây là
This
một
is a
đất nước.
country.
Yeah. Should it start with big H or
Liệu
small
nó có
h?
nên bắt đầu bằng từ lớn không?
Small h.
Nó nên bắt
Tên của
đầu
một đất
bằng
nước
chữ
đi là
H
chữ
viết hoa hay viết thường?
Big or
tên
small? It should be
Big.
big. Yay. Okay, very good, honey. Okay. Remember that a name of a country should
Hãy
start with
nhớ
a...
rằng tên của
Wait for a while, honey. Country should start with a capital letter.
Hãy nhớ rằng tên của một quốc gia phải bắt đầu bằng chữ cái viết hoa.
Okay? Like Hong Kong. Say it again one more time. Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Very good. Okay, next. Do you know this?
Yama.
Yeah. Again?
Yama.
Yes, very good. And then, should it start with a big H or a small h? What should it be?
Cái
It
nữa là
should
cái gì?
be
Cái nữa là cái gì?
hammer.
Mẹ đang hỏi đó là cái gì?
Yama.
Big
Mẹ đang hỏi cái ní là cái gì?
or small?
Cái nữa là cái gì con?
Oh,
Cái gì này đóng? Tiếng Việt. Nhìn vô màn hình.
It is? Okay. It should be small h. Okay. Small h. Hammer. One more time. Say it again one more time, honey. Hammer. Okay, let's have this one, honey. Let's sing along together, my dear Vin. Let's watch the video and let's pause the recording. Okay. Let's have the vocabularies now, my dear. You ready? Are you ready, Vin?
yes.
Yes, I am. Okay, let's have the first one. Do you know this one, Vin? This one is hot dog. One more time. Hot dog.
Hot
Very good. Say it again for you 3 times. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Your turn. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog.
Ôi xịt lại nói rồi chứ nói này chứ cô không nghe mà cứ ngồi rồi nói à.
Okay,
Ngôi
it's
xịt vô.
okay, honey. Okay, it's okay. Just say hot dog. Again, what is this one, honey? You say
Nghe nhủ.
hot
Cô nói
dog.
cái này không?
Huh? Huh? Hot dog.
Nghe nhủ con ngôi xịt vô nói cho cô nghe. Con nghe không? Ngôi xịt vô nói để cho cô nghe, ngôi xa là nói cô không nghe. Thằng này thế.
Hot dog.
Okay. Very good. It's okay, honey. This one is hot dog. All right. I have a question, Vin. Do you eat a hot dog?
Bạn có ăn xúc xích không?
Yeah? Oh, wait. I think this one is not right. Oh, yeah. You don't? Okay. Anyway, let's have the second one. Do you know this one, Vin? What is that? This one is hamburger. Hamburger. Very good. This one, honey, is hamburger. Okay, let's say it again for 3 times, Vin. Hamburger, hamburger, hamburger. Your turn.
Hamburger.
Yay! Very good. Great job, honey. Thank you very much.
Cảm ơn rất nhiều.
Come on. Okay, let's have the third one. What is this?
Hammer.
Yay! Very good. That's a My dear, do you have a hammer at home?
Em yêu, nhà em có cái búa không?
Yes? Yeah, okay, that's great to hear, my dear. Okay, again, let's say hot dog,
Hot dog.
hamburger,
Hamburger.
hammer.
Hammer.
Hot dog, hamburger, hammer.
Hot dog.
Hamburger,
Hamburger.
hammer.
Hammer.
Yay! Okay, where is the hamburger? Where is the hamburger, honey? Where is it? Yay! Where is the hot dog? The hot dog. Yay! And lastly, the hammer. Where is the hammer? Yay! Very good. Great job, honey. You're doing such a great job. Again, let me ask you, honey, Vin. What is this one, Vin?
Hot dog. Hamburger.
Yes,
Ham.
hamburger and hammer. Very good. Okay, next. How about this one? Do you know that one, Vin? This one is it's hippo.
Hippo.
Oh yeah, that one is hippo or hippopotamus. But if we say it shorter, it's hippo. Okay?
Hippo.
Yeah, that one is a hippo, honey. All right. Honey, I have a question. My dear. Have you seen a hippo?
Bạn đã từng nhìn thấy hà mã chưa?
No. Okay. Yes, you say it again for 3 times, honey. Hippo, hippo, hippo.
Hippo.
Honey, hippo.
Hippo.
Yes. Okay, let's have the second one. What is this? Yay! Very good heart. Can you make a heart? Can you make a heart using your hand? Can you do this? Okay, you don't want. All right, let's say heart for 3 times. Heart, heart, heart.
Heart. Heart. Art.
Very good. Okay. Let's have the next one, honey. What is this one? This one is a Okay. This one is a honey. Can you say it?
Honey.
Yes, this one is a honey, honey. Honey. All right.
Honey.
Honey. It's
mật ong,
on honey. All right. You say honey for 3 times, honey. Honey, honey, honey.
Honey. Honey. Honey.
Very good. Great job, Lynn. Thank you very much, honey. Okay. We say this one again. Let's say hippo,
Hippo.
heart,
Heart.
honey.
Honey.
Hippo, heart, honey.
Hippo. Heart. Honey.
Very good. Okay. Now, where is the honey? Where is the honey? Yes. Where is the hippo? Yes. Great job. Very good, honey. And the last one is a
Heart.
what is that? Heart. Very good. Okay, honey, what is this? He. Ha, ha, ha. He. What is that? Hippo. Can you say it again one more time? Hippo.
Hippo.
Very good. Next one, what is this? Ha, 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 ha.
Heart.
How about this one? What is that? Ha, ha, honey. Can you say it one more
Honey.
time, honey? Yes, honey. Okay. Yes, very good, honey. This one is a honey. Okay. Thank you so much, Vin. Now let's move forward to the next one. You remember, honey, this one is a hippo. Okay? Hippo. All right? This one is honey.
Honey.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, my dear. Now let's say, what do you like, honey? You say, I like hot.
I
What is that?
like hot dog.
Very good. I like
I like
what is that? Honey.
honey.
Honey. Okay, this one is a honey, my dear. Okay, remember. Honey. You say, I like honey.
I like honey.
Very good. Okay, next. What is this? What do you like? I like ham.
I like hamburger.
Very good. I like hamburger. Great job, honey. Okay, again, one more time. I like hot dog.
I like hot dog.
I like honey.
I like honey.
I like hamburger.
I like hamburger.
Very good. Great job. Okay.
công việc tuyệt vời,
Okay. Next one, let's have the playtime, honey. Okay, let's have the play time. We are going to save Dennis. Okay, question. This one is hammer. Ha, ha, hammer. Should it start with small h or big H?
Small.
Yay! Very good. Great job. Okay, next. Next question. Hong Kong. Hong Kong. Big or small?
Big.
Yay! Very good. Okay. How about this? What is this one, honey? What is this?
hamburger.
Very good. This one is a hamburger. Yay. You say,
Open Gangnam Style.
okay, anyway, honey, let's have this one. You're going to match. You're going to match. Match the word to the picture, honey.
Mada. Okay.
Okay. Can he match, mommy? Does he know how to
Okay.
match? Okay. Let's have the first one, honey. We have honey. Where is the honey? You match it. Yay! How about the hammer? This one is hammer. Where's the hammer? Yay! Next one is hamburger. Hamburger. Yay! And Hong Kong. Hong Kong. Yay! Okay. Okay, great job. It is so perfect, Vin.
Thật tuyệt vời khi giành chiến thắng.
Okay, let's have this one, honey. Yes, you got everything correctly, honey. Perfect. Okay, let's have the checking time, honey. Let's have the checking time. What can you see? I can see a
I can see a hot dog.
what can you see?
Hamburger. I can
Very
see
good.
a
Very good. Great job. Okay, next. What can you see?
I can see a
He
apple.
hippo. Hippo. Next, honey. I can see a
Hippo.
this one. I can see a
Cat.
and the last one. I can see a
I can see a heart.
honey. Honey. Okay. Anyway, honey, the time is already over. See you next time, Vin. Love you. Bye-bye. I stay home. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, mommy. Good night.